Hey everybody! Welcome, friends, to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your mutual friends with someone on Facebook. But before you start watching this video, be sure, friends, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to put your likes, and also please write comments. So, let's get started. And first of all, dear friends, you will need to open the Facebook application. If ever you have seen that Facebook has an option like shared friends, then if you don't want that when a person goes to your Facebook page, he/she sees the shared friends section, it is very easy to do. Please open up Friends to start customization. And in order for you to find the settings, you'll need to go to the menu section that you have on the bottom right. If you have Android, then on the top right. Once you open the menu, then tap on the gear at the top. This will take you to the settings. Now please scroll down to the bottom of the list and select this one. Then go to Who can see your friends or your friends list. And here choose the option that suits you best. For maximum privacy, select the Eye Only option. As you can see, I have that. And then be sure to click Save. And your changes will be saved. After that, your friends list will be visible only to you, and no outsider who will log into your Facebook account will see your friends, as well as common friends with you. This is how you will be able to uncover mutual friends on Facebook. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.